Hi Capricorn, hope you're doing great. This reading is for you if your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus are in the zodiac sign of Capricorn, Makar Rashi, and this reading is from 5th of April to 20th of April. So this is for these 2 weeks, for these 15 days. So I am going to use 4 of my oracle cards and clarify the messages or get some add-on messages from my good tarot. And so let's begin. So from my Shaman oracle card, the card for you is the Sun in reversed. Now this is different from your tarot card, the Sun from the tarot card. The Sun in reverse is actually a card which says that probably you have been in light a lot. Okay, it's time for you to do some sort of shadow work or maybe energy work. So from whatever experience I'm having up till now, whatever reading I have done for almost like 4 5 for rather I would say most of the zodiac signs had energy work or energy healing work as the predominant energy reading. Okay, so I believe the same goes for you because the Sun in reverse is a card which says that it's time for either you are too visible to people unnecessarily, too available to people unnecessarily, or it is that you are actually required to do a lot of energy healing shadow work, okay, behind the scene work. It's time for you to do some sort of taking a step back from whatever you're doing. Okay, so let's see how that comes up. The Sun in reverse, so some sort of energy healing definitely is required, as well as do not be too available or don't be too visible unnecessarily. The Sun in reverse. Let's see which symbol from the symbolography card. These are the compilation of ancient symbols. Let's see which symbol is nudging you for these 15 days time. Let's see Capricorn. Partnership. Oh, okay. So there is something to do with your business partnership, the contracts that you have, or maybe marriage. Mainly it is partnership between two people. Okay, so I believe in partnership. You can remain in partnership with anybody only when at times you are dominant, the other times the other person is dominant. So whether it is a business partnership or a boss colleague kind of a partnership relationship, whatever it is, or it is a marriage relationship, it's time to take a step back, really rethink. And stepping back does not mean that you do not have to do anything. You have to do a lot behind the scene. Okay, let's see which before that, let's see which Atlantis being is trying to guide us. Let's see Capricorn. Okay, in your partnership, I think it is more to do with listening also. Listen, okay, it's time to listen in the partnership, in the relationship, in the marriage. Listen. Be a good listener, I believe. Do a lot of behind the scene work. Do a lot of energy healing, shadow work underneath. Yeah. Okay, Capricorn. Let's see what. Okay, the silence. See, silence. Let's read what is it exactly. Be still and access your inner wisdom. So it is saying it is time for some quiet contemplation and meditation. Go somewhere in the nature where you can be still and peaceful. when you're silent, then only your inner wisdom starts to speak to you. So something is definitely nudging you to go silent and be in the nature. You can do some sort of, wake up early in the morning before sun, do some Brahm Muhurt meditation. Wake up before sun, okay, at least 1 hour before sun, 1.5 hours before sun, and do some sort of healing for yourself during Brahm Muhurt. That is what I'm getting from the sun in reverse, and that probably has to do something with your relationships, a married relationship or a partnership, business partnership. Less of employee, employer, colleague, and all that. It is more to do with some sort of partnership. Go silent. It's time to listen to your own self, meditate, use this Brahm Muhurt time for these 15 days. Be still so that you can access your inner wisdom. You know what? These 15 days I'm telling you is I just don't know what astrologically has happened. Jupiter is transiting Aquarius. Okay, and Jupiter is a planet which brings in a lot of inner wisdom, knowledge. So I believe there is some influence of Jupiter definitely on every sign, because almost similar. Almost similar is the readings for the others. Yours definitely has been specified that these silence and doing some shadow work or energy healing has to be done in the area of partnership. The others were not even able to find out. It was an overall thing. Yours is a little more clarity, and rather it is specified. It can be client and you as partners also. I think try and understand your partner, try and understand your client, the needs, and that will only happen when you listen, and that will only happen when you will be still, consciously. So meditate. Let's see which archangel or crystal is guiding us for these 15 days. Capricorn, Tree Agate. Okay, so I'll just show you the crystal. I just said that you have to go out in the nature and contemplate, right? Tree Agate, it is actually talking about going and hugging a tree. Sit beneath a tree, connect to the qualities of firmly planted roots. I think you should do some sort of grounding meditation. If not, you can practice earth element meditation. The link is there in the description box. Go out in nature and just be, try and connect to that deeply rooted, firmly rooted plant and trees, because even in the storms they do not bend. Okay, so it's very important. Okay, remember your roots. It's very important to go back to your family roots also. Remember how much you can really grow in heights. Okay, so Tree Agate is that crystal which brings you back to your roots, which tells you that you should observe nature in terms of go and hug a tree, see how deeply rooted it is. Even the tree's roots have branches, so just contemplate over that. I think something is definitely going to open up when you do that. Okay, I'm also going to pull some tarot cards to see how and what is the silence or Brahm Muhurt meditation, inner wisdom, or tree hugging and partnership and all that is going to bring in for us. Okay, so some divine communication is definitely coming your way through the trees. Okay, Capricorn, if you're dealing with any of your relationship, personal, interpersonal or romantic, this reading is for you. Marriage issues, this reading is for you. Go out, hug a tree, I remember in my childhood, I used to be a part of this movement called Chipko movement, Chipko Andolan. So here in, we used to hug a tree if it was to be cut. So I was a part of that NGO. Messenger of Earth. Okay, so this is the more you protect the nature, the more you connect with the nature, this earth element gets activated. Your Mooladhara chakra gets activated very naturally without any Bij mantra meditation or some great amazing meditations that everybody does. You don't need to do that. Just do earth life element meditation. The link is there in the description box. You'll be able to manifest life of value, manifest more of reliable resources. You will be able to get. There will be a kind of commitment in the some sort of commitment communication is coming towards you. Let's find out more. Ace of Air is a great beginning. So some beginning is definitely happening for you in terms of partnership. Be in partnership with the nature also. Okay, so be in partnership with divine. It may not just be your physical partnership, but it is more to do with your part. It can also be your partnership with divine, soul, self. Ace of Air is like having that mental clarity, knowing the truth, starting afresh. Though things are a little slow, but it will come in more. The things will move towards more of commitment, but it will be a little slow. Six of Earth. Earth is ruling your reading. Six of Earth is kindness. Six of Earth is really balancing your energy, which is deviated between two opposing forces, or maybe two different aspects of your life. Do not be biased. Balance your energy. If it is between health and relationship, balance the energy between the two. If it is a relationship and career, balance the energy. Do not be more focused towards one and negate the other one. Earth is that balance, Three of Air. So whatever, something that you're waiting for, this messenger of Earth is a communication, I just said, right? So something that you would have done, or you're waiting for some communication, some trip or some exploration that you have done, it is coming your way. I mean, there's some sort of waiting time here, but it is moving towards a positive, it's a yes card. So if you're waiting for something, some communication, it is definitely coming. Just take care of your earth life element and that Brahm Muhurt meditation, silence, nature, tree, because a new beginning is there coming up with justice. So I think there is some contract that you're waiting for, maybe a marriage you're waiting for, some communication in relationship you're waiting for, a business partnership you're waiting for, a client you're waiting for. That is some legal work. Justice is a card of ruling over, moving over and above the lies and establishing a commitment, a legal thing that nobody can rule out. So justice is that. It's like karma balanced, and now justice is being served. So if you're waiting for any communication of that sort, just balance your energies. Don't be so much exhausted. Do not get so exhausted with your relationship issues or partnership issues. Focus over your own self. Probably you're chasing somebody. Don't chase. The sun in reverse also says that you're too available. Start loving yourself. Have that Ace of Airs, that mental clarity and mental strength, so that you can spend some time in nature, in silence, listen to your inner wisdom, give some time to your own self, give some time to the partnership that you have with the divine, with the nature, and the result will be amazing. I'm pulling one more card for you, Capricorn. Let's see, what is it? Chariot. So you're definitely moving towards, this is water uber, so you're definitely moving towards a situation which will balance a lot of bad and evil of your life. So so I believe these 7 to 11 days will be really crucial for you. Just do not give up. You're definitely moving towards a better phase of your life, and this is to do with a lot of determination, and willpower will be there. So you've learned your lessons. Work on the partnership that you have with your own self and the divine first, with the nature, with that silence, and be less available to people outside of you, so that you can really move towards more of manifesting more of materialistic in the materialistic and the physical world. Some sort of waiting, some sort of slow process, I just said that is because things of value do take time to come. And also the faster will be your energy work, the faster you will start loving yourself, loving the nature, loving yourself above somebody else. The faster things will start to move, because the faster you'll have your mental strength instilled in you, and you can let go and cut things, cut all that which is not required, and focus over your own self, the more this justice and chariot will be served to you, the more will be that movement. Probably there is a place change also, location change also for some of you, or maybe a job change or something. So if you're waiting for a job, you're waiting for a marriage, if you're waiting for a communication or a contract, it is coming your way. Just heal your energy in between. So that's wonderful, Capricorn. Let me know how these 15 days treat you. Please share this video with your loved ones if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And yeah, bye bye, all the best. Take care of yourself.